The S75 headlight lens is your reliable choice for night driving. In indoor tests, it shows extraordinary strength, far outperforming its peers. Driving at night is fraught with risks, so safety should always come first. When you turn on the S75 lens at night, it cuts through the darkness like a bolt of lightning, instantly brightening your vision. With strong light focusing ability, it allows you to see both far and clearly. You can spot pedestrians, broken down vehicles, and hidden obstacles in advance and handle various road conditions with ease, making your night drive more confident. It is a perfect combination of advanced technology and high-quality materials. With leading optical and heat dissipation technologies, it ensures efficient and stable light output. The materials are resistant to high temperatures, moisture, and corrosion, enabling it to work well in harsh environments. Its long service life means you don't need to replace it frequently, saving you both time and money. In on-road tests, it is equally impressive, not inferior to similar products. Compared with halogen lamps, it has much higher brightness. The approximately 24-meter wide light pattern is like a safety net, illuminating potential threats and building a solid safety barrier for your journey. The S75 lens focuses light like a lighthouse, guiding you home. Choosing it means choosing peace of mind and security, accompanying you on a worry-free night drive back home.